Welcome to Tech Radar, and let's talk about the growing demand and anticipation surrounding the new Bing artificial intelligence, AI, powered search engine. We got some hands-on experience with it, and can safely say that it's definitely unique and powerful. But of course, with so many people trying to sign up, it's caused some problems as it's hard to unlock it for so many at once. Yusuf Mehdi, the head of consumer marketing at Microsoft, confirmed that although the waitlist currently in limited preview, it will be expanding to millions of users in the coming weeks. He also confirmed that the waitlists won't be limited to Microsoft Edge users, but those using other browsers will also get to experience the new Bing. Of course, with so many people sending in their requests, it's only natural that there will be delays. But the good news is that Microsoft is taking its take to make sure that Bing is working as best as it can for all users. We can expect to see some really interesting results and maybe even a few insightful tantrums as people explore the full potential of AI-powered search. Finally, let's not forget that the success of AI-powered search, many rely heavily on accuracy. So let's make sure that this new technology isn't dead before it even takes off, and that people who do get access to the new Bing are satisfied with the results they get.